In response to the challenges of terrorism that confronts the country, the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022, as amended, was signed into law. The Act designates the Office of the National Security Advisor as a coordinating office for Nigeria's counter-terrorism efforts. The National Counter-Terrorism Center, Office of the National Security Advisor, holds this policy planning and strategy development workshop on a national approach. On policy planning and strategy development on a national approach to disarmament, dismobilization, reintegration, and preventing and countering violent extremism.
It is therefore our collective responsibility to ensure that our country is rescued from the menace of insecurity, and one of the ways to do this is gathering today to attempt to develop policy and strategies on Nigeria's approach to disengagement, disassociation, and reintegration preventing and countering violent extremism.
Our DDR efforts need to be reconfigured in policies, tools, and practices to address the diversity of our security challenges.
Some of the stakeholders who spoke during the opening ceremony of the 3-day workshop advocate collective efforts in addressing violent extremism.
Military operations have had to be deployed in contexts where no much peace is there to keep, leaving DDR to be carried out amidst ongoing war.
The DDR and PCV approaches is that of the whole of government, the whole of society, as earlier mentioned by the national coordinator.
The 3-day workshop will seek to build the capacity of delegates with strategic insight, learn lessons, and review existing national and state DDR, PCVE frameworks with focus on the policy to prevent and counter violent extremism in the nation. John Taylor, ITV News.